Hi Fronds, welcome back to Botanical Woman. I'm Christine. Today, I'm very excited to share with you my Wabi Kusa. It is something that I've been wanting to make for a while now. I think a little bit over a year, because there was a local plant shop that was hosting workshops on how to make it. And I was like, what is this? And it's really cute. It originates from Japan, of course, Wabi Kusa. And it is basically a bowl that you put water in and you add aquatic plants if you want, or you try to grow some terrestrial plants in water. So the whole idea is growing plants in water, and it's really soothing. I went low tech. You could add in like a water fountain with a little pump. I was actually re-inspired again by one of those Facebook videos where they force you to watch and then all of a sudden you're watching it. Yeah, I love those DIYs and they know it and they keep showing them to me. So yeah, not to do that, Christine, at 3 a.m. So mine was no tech. I use Lechuza as my base. You could use, they call this aqua soil. It's basically soil that has a lot of clay in it, so it doesn't like get all dirty against the water, so it holds the dirt together. I found Lechuza to pretty much do the same thing. You just have to add nutrients to your water so that the plants have something to live off of. And right now I'm using my fish tank water, which has been great for all my plants, if you didn't hear me tell you that last time. We're out foraging plants for my aquariums, and I went and grabbed loads of sticks and just, I don't know, any plant or fern or moss that I thought was interesting. And I was just trying it out to see how they would live in the aquarium. And then I had some extra, and I was like, I can make a Wabi Kusa. In addition to that, a couple of days before, I was at the dollar store, which is my dollar store. I call it is the Daiso. It's $1.50 technically. But I got a really cute cat-shaped humidifier that they were selling. I had no idea what I was going to do with it, but then I was like, I could put it inside my Wabi Kusa. There's like a little cat hiding in the forest. That's how those two ideas got mushed together. Yeah, so all the plants that you see, the moss, this like perfectly grassy bush was just something I yanked out of the ground. It's probably best, if you're gonna do this, I would go to a creek or a river side and look for some plants that are growing around there. These are all weeds. They were everywhere. The humidifier part of the cat is super cute. I mean, who would have thought these, I guess it's kind of like a chia pet if you think about it. Because that's the same way I think how chia pet works, even though I've never actually had one. But you put water inside this clay thing and the plants grow on it. And that's exactly what's happening now on the cat belly. A little piece of fern is growing on it. Super cute. I don't know, it is something, not only it's super cute to look at, but you know, it's soothing to put it together. We had a lot of fun that day going out and just being reminded of what it was like to be a child again. Going on a little adventure. That was actually right before it got really cold. We were blessed with a couple of really sunny days here in Seattle. So yeah, the creek was super awesome. I've been back twice already, but now I think it's too cold and wet. The trails here can get really muddy and dangerous. I hope this inspires you to make your own Wabi Kusa. You can, you know, add whatever you want to it. Little figurine, no figurine. A lot of people do it without. It's really peaceful to look at since we'll be spending a lot of time indoors. So let me know how it goes. Share them with me on Instagram. I will talk to you guys next time. I hope you enjoy the video.